Welcome back. One of the largest hurdles for young couples buying their first home is paying down credit card debt. Credit card debt lowers your credit score. Mortgage lenders look at your debt-to-income ratio, and high credit card balances can seriously hurt your chances of qualifying for a loan with a reasonable interest rate. But don't worry, because today we're talking about how to pay down that debt fast using two proven strategies: the Avalanche Method and the Snowball Method. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to get out of debt and move one step closer to homeownership. Let's get started. Before we dive into the methods, let's talk about why this is so important. Credit card interest rates are sky high, often 25% or more. If you only make minimum payments, you will be stuck with that debt for 30 years, paying way more in interest than you borrowed to begin with. On top of that, high credit card balances lower your credit score and increase your debt-to-income ratio, making it harder to qualify for a mortgage. The sooner you pay down your balances, the better your financial position will be when it's time to buy a home. So how do we tackle credit card debt efficiently? Let's break down two of the best methods: Avalanche and Snowball. First up, we have the Avalanche Method. This strategy is all about saving money on interest by paying off your highest interest debt first. Here's how it works. Step 1. List all your credit cards from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Step 2. Make minimum payments on all your cards, but throw any extra cash you have at the one with the highest interest rate. Step 3. Once the highest interest rate card is paid off, roll that payment into the next highest interest credit card. Step 4. Repeat until all your debts are gone. Pros: saves you the most money in the long run, can get you out of debt faster. Cons: progress might feel slow at first if your highest interest debt is a big one. Requires discipline to stay motivated. If you're someone who's focused on numbers and wants to save as much money as possible, this method is for you. But if you need more motivation, you might prefer the next method. The Snowball Method focuses on building momentum by paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This can give you quick psychological wins that many need to stay motivated. Here's how it works. Step 1. List all your credit cards from the smallest balance to the largest. Step 2. Make minimum payments on everything, but put all your extra money toward the smallest balance. Step 3. Once the smallest balance card is paid off, roll that payment into the next smallest balance. Step 4. Keep going until all your debts are gone. Pros: gives you quick wins, which keeps you motivated. Simplifies your finances as you eliminate accounts. Cons: may cost more in interest over time. Could take longer to pay off debt overall. This method works best for people who need that sense of accomplishment to stay motivated. Seeing debts disappear quickly can be a huge confidence boost and keep you going. If neither method sounds perfect, consider a hybrid approach. One option is to start with the Snowball Method to build momentum and then switch to the Avalanche Method once you've knocked out a couple of smaller debts. There are also other options, such as debt consolidation, combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. Debt management plans, DMPs, working with a credit counselor to negotiate lower interest rates with creditors. These can be helpful in certain situations, but they also have risks, so do your research before committing. No matter which method you choose, here are some key tips to speed your debt payoff. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments to stay consistent. Cut expenses. Reduce unnecessary spending, like dining out or unused subscriptions. Increase your income. Consider a side hustle or selling things you no longer need. Avoid new debt. Stop using credit cards and commit to living within your means. Paying off credit card debt is the most powerful step you can take to improve your financial future and qualify for a mortgage. Whether you choose the Avalanche Method, the Snowball Method, or a mix of both, the key is to stay consistent and persistent. You will reach your goals. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What method are you going to try? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.